we have built up an application for the corona outbreak, and I'm going to show you what COVID negative application actually is. This is COVID negative application. We have built up an application which is for the users and also for the government. It does tracking and surveillance of every user and gives the travel history records, to whom all they have met, all the details, by which we can trace all the patients or affected or the quarantine people of corona. Let me show you the application first, and then I will move on for the website or the web portal that we have built for the government. We also have the application for the government officials too. The first four blocks that you see are the latest live updates of corona, the global, India, or even the local issues. These are updated live every few minutes or every few seconds. The next block is of the state-wise details. What you have to just do is that you have to enter the state that you are in or you want to know about. All the details of the state will emerge. We found out a problem with the medical services. That is the reason why we build up a future for the medical services. For example, if I am suffering from a few symptoms of corona and I wanted to know more about those, or I want to check about it, so there was actually no way by which we would be able to connect to the hospitals directly. There was no platform on which, on that one platform, all this hospital list was displayed and in an easy way. So if you click on the hospital, you have to just enter your city. You will get all for example, I have just given the input of Mumbai. All the details of the hospital regarding related to Mumbai will emerge. I just have to give them a call or give them a mail or something, and I will get the notification of it directly, that what directions that I actually need to do, or if I think I'm positive and if they think the same, then what can be done regarding it or regarding the testing. We are currently facing the issue of lack of blood supply in the blood banks. The reason for that is there is curfew in the nation and people are not able to come outside and donate blood, and there is no platform on which you can book an appointment for the blood banks and then donate blood. We solve this problem. You just have to do is click on to the blood bank section. You have to search in the city name. All the blood banks of your city will emerge. You just have to do is click on the donate button, just like this. What will happen is that it will send a mail, appointment request submitted. As you can see, appointment request will be submitted, and the blood bank will give you a curfew pass along with the details of when to come and donate the blood. If someone catches you, for example, the police people catches you, you can just show them the curfew pass of the blood donation. Search by locality. This is a very big problem. The data that the normal people are receiving are of the city based. That is the reason why many people are still roaming out, because they feel that in their locality there is no corona positive infected quarantine person, so because they don't have the access for this data. So what will you will be able to select the pin code. Once you select it, all the data related to your local area will pop up. For example, tested positive, negative, home quarantine, and hospital quarantine also. What is going to happen is that by this people will come to know how many people are there who are home quarantine and all the details, by which they will be either ways frightened to go out, because either ways they have to keep them safe. The next one is the self-assessment form. This is the form which you have to fill. For example, you have filled this form COVID infected with the symptoms, you just got it. And if you don't have any symptoms, all is well is going to pop up, and this important data will be saved for the government so that they can carry on their research along with the data. Then there is do's and don'ts, the symptoms and the prevention, the basic one, which we can add many later on. Essential supplies. Okay, people are roaming out for the essential supplies. So what we came up was, in your locality, all the vendors who are delivering the essential supplies will be there on this list. What you have to just do is, you have to click at the right hand side, you can see the WhatsApp logo. You have to click onto it. You will be redirected to the WhatsApp of that vendor. You have to just select the details, means for example your list, your grocery list, you have to upload it. That's it, you're done. They will deliver it, you have to pay online. That's it. We are just creating a platform for the vendors and the user through which they can supply the groceries, or even the government update. What we saw was central government, state government and the municipal corporations don't have a single platform on which all the updates are there. For example, there is one site for state government, there is one site for central government, and there is other site for the municipal corporation. People get confused because of that. On this one single application, you will be able to update, the government will be able to update all the information which will be seen by the user on one platform, so that there will be no confusion. Report issue, another important factor. What happens is that many a times, for example, I am in my building and I can see a lot of people who are gathering right in front of the building. Police can't be there at every place. So what I will do is, each and every individual who is responsible, he can act as a police. What he will do is, he just has to write in the title. For example, let me show it to you. Gathering I have to do is, I have to just capture the image where the people have gathered. I will just capture whatever the image is. For example, I have just captured it and I will upload it. Okay, the file is uploaded. The file will be uploaded at the back end of the government, and it will be sent with the location to the nearest cop. I repeat, it will be sent to the phone of the nearest cop with the location, so that they can come, intervene and just disperse the crowd. Another important thing is that the fake and real. There are many messages that are fake. So if you have to check, if the user needs to check it, then you just have to click on the button, click whatever the message is. For example, this might be the message, or whatever the message can be. You just have to capture the picture if you want to. Once you capture the picture, what is going to happen is that you can just upload it. It will go to the backend of the government portal, and as you can see, it was updated, and in some time the details of it and the status, that is whether it is pending, it is real, it is fake, all the details can be seen in just a few hours. We can